I think today we played well, and we conceded an early goal, which at least I can say destabilized us a bit, and then we didn't settle from there. In the midfield, I think we were not combative enough. We were not winning our duels. Then today I expected that we are going to be sharp on the flanks, yeah, especially with Cliff and then with Mishiri. But I think the opponent did a very good job. They really locked us. Then we tried to change things by bringing Mazembe. We saw some flashes, but it didn't work. It was not good enough. We were desperate. We showed some desperation, especially we started now playing the long balls, and it was not really helping the team, especially in the second half. So it's only for my team. Yeah, we just, even if we are down, we just have to calm down. So we didn't calm at all when we in the second half, where I believe that we could have equalized and maybe even played better. But it's not a big excuse. The last 2 weeks we've been having problems. I mean sickness and injuries, like Matthew and Msaga. I just forced them today. They had to play through painkillers, and they tried, but it was not enough for us. So it's something that we've been battling, and even if Masai also was not 100% fit, Raila was not 100% fit. So also these are the things that maybe contributed for us, maybe not getting a positive result.
Coach, are you under pressure?
No, I'm not under pressure. I've been in more pressure like this, but we are really fighting hard to get our first win. Then this will give the boys a lot of confidence. And believe you me, after 18 years, this was our first time playing here. It comes with a pressure. My players are human beings. It comes with a pressure, and you could see it from the word go. But our fans have to come for matches, yeah, because we are really expecting that they will push us through.
Fans are asking why is it that after a wonderful pre-season, are taking more than 4 games before the
Sorry.
fans who are impatient asking why after a wonderful pre-season,
Yeah.
are taking more than 4 games to register the first name.
No. I think, as I've told you, the slow start is because of maybe the injuries that I'm saying. But this is not an excuse. And I believe if we are fully fit, then I believe we can, we'll post positive results. These are only 4 games, and this was our first game playing at home. We still have more games. I'm not under any pressure. My players are not under any pressure. But the pressure we are in is to win. Whatever fans say, we respect. But as Shabana, technical bench and the players, we know what we want and we know what